Hi everybody, welcome to Reviews You Can Use. One of my favorite things about traveling is getting to try tropical fruit that I've never tried before. My parents had a produce store that I had to slave labor in, so I had a lot of experience with lots of fruits, but when I get to experience new ones, I get really excited. So today I'm going to review the Naranjilla with you. If you look at it, it looks kind of almost like a persimmon. The top is kind of funky. It tastes a lot like a passion fruit, but a little bit more acidic. Let's see what it looks like inside, and I'll talk about what I'm gonna make with it. I first found this in Ecuador. I hadn't seen it before. I did a terrible job cutting it. Okay, so if you look inside, it's kind of green and seedy, and it kind of looks like mitosis. I think that's pretty cool. Like I said, it's kind of like a passion fruit, and like a passion fruit, you don't really eat the outside, you scoop the inside. What I'm scooping the inside in now is a blender. Here's the inside of another one. So the whole cover we don't use, and I scoop out the center into a blender. So in here you could see the fruit and juice of two of them. I added a tablespoon of pure brown sugar, and now I'm adding some ginger, quarter teaspoon, some cinnamon, like a half teaspoon, half of one of these glasses of water, and the same amount of this tasty beverage. I like something called cachaça in Brazil. It's a sugarcane alcohol, but unlike rum, which makes me sleepy, this makes me kind of energetic. This one is the Ecuadorian version of their sugarcane alcohol. I'm putting about the same amount of that as I did water. It's 44% alcohol. So something I think is pretty cool that I've noticed in Brazil and Ecuador is they have these things called pulpas, where they have like the pureed form of these fruits frozen. This is not something that you usually eat in the fruit form. You usually drink it as a juice or a cocktail. This is what the cocktail looks like. Woo! I like my alcohol like I like my men, strong. Can kind of taste the sugar, really taste the acid, really taste the alcohol. The spices are there. What's weird is it has a little bit of a banana-ness to it. I don't know if the banana-ness is real or just connected with some of the other flavors, like the cinnamon or the alcohol. I like it. Naranjilla.